Hi, let's talk about how to do this question. This question is the start and end question. Okay, so I'm going to explain how I'm going to use the start and end approach to solve this question. All right. So for start and end question, the most important thing is you need to know how to draw the diagram at the end, and then you need to know how to draw the diagram at the start. Okay, so let's look at how we can approach the question from the end. So for the question, it says in the end, Lydia had 4 times as much money as Kenneth. So if you were to draw the model for the end, Lydia will be 4 times the Kenneth. So I'm going to um, draw 4 rectangles to represent Lydia as 4 times Kenneth. All right. So label, this is Lydia, then this is Kenneth. Okay, so now we need to work backward, meaning work from the back and then to the front. And what happened? What happened in the middle? Something happened. It says Kenneth actually gave Lydia $24. So Kenneth gave away $24 to Lydia. Therefore, at the start, Kenneth should be plus 24. Okay, why? The reason is from the start, uh, Kenneth actually gave away this 24 to get 1 unit at the end. Okay, so now if we work from the back, in order to get Kenneth at the start, so we need to add $24. So I hope you have no problems with this um how to draw the model for Kenneth at the start. So Kenneth at the start is at the end is 1 unit or 1 rectangle. At the start is 1 rectangle plus 24 because Kenneth gave away 24 to Lydia. So what happened to Lydia? So Lydia received 24 from Kenneth. So at the start, right, Lydia should be. So this is Lydia at the end, alright? So at the end is 4 rectangles, but this is after receiving 24 from Kenneth. So therefore Lydia is actually 24 less than 4 rectangles. Okay, so how you draw it? So you probably can do it like this. So Lydia at the start should be here. Okay, Lydia at the start is here. Okay, the 24 minus 24 actually is gone for the at the start. Okay, so with this, then you read the question. For the start, Lydia had twice as much money as Kenneth at first. Okay, so at the start, which is here, Lydia is twice as much as Kenneth. So therefore, this one, if this is 1, okay, then you need to double it, okay, so that it will be equal to Lydia. So what you can do is just copy this and then you just park it over here, okay, and then it over here it doesn't look like it matches, right? While it should. You 2 times the Kenneth, okay, you should get the Lydia at the start. So what you can do here is you can actually adjust the 24 a little bit, plus 24 a little bit. So what I usually do is this. Alright, so move this back and then put 24 here. Alright, so that is the model you ought to draw before you can answer the question now. Okay, so the model at the start for Lydia is actually this, and the model for Kenneth at the start is actually over here, but it says it's 2 times, so you have to draw twice Kenneth. Alright, Now, what you can do is, if you see similar, you actually erase. All right. If you see similar, you erase. So I'm going to erase. So remember the technique: erase, erase. Okay, looks like I need to use a stronger color. Let me see. Erase, erase. Okay. And continue. Another unit, erase, and you erase. All right. So far so good. Okay, good. So once you erase these two, right? Once you erase these two, so if you use technology, if you erase these two, okay, what you end up with is actually this. Okay, what you end up with is actually everything here. And if you try to align them together, okay, okay. So this is exactly what you can tell from the model. And from this model, you can see that, can you see that this is 2U, 2 rectangle? Okay, so this 2U happen to be 124, 224, and actually 324. So therefore, that's how I get 2U equals to 24 plus 24 plus 24. And 2U is actually equals to, you can use a calculator, you get 72, and U is equal to 36. So Kenneth at the end is actually 36. Okay, the question asks for Kenneth at first. So Kenneth at first is, so Kenneth at the end is 36 after giving away 24. So at the start have to be 36 plus 24. So that is 60. Okay, so that's the answer. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.